guys, what's up, what's poppin', what's not stop, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So but just there for address a situation real quick, as in I see the title and the thumbnail. This ain't no prank or nothing like that, but just like address the situation real quick. So okay, I've been not posting on YouTube due to the fact that me I receive a whole lot of backlash and a whole lot of hate, whole lot of negativity for what I don't know. I really don't know, because honestly me just simple well I do me, I live my life, and I make videos now and again for my true supporters them and all these things. So as I can say, I don't normally post like I usually post before, and that is due to the fact that as I said before, I receive a whole lot of hate and stuff like that. So I'm not posting like a week or a couple of days or whatever, but on the system I kind of like a post spread out or whatever. So people have it to say, yo, me not post because I'm pregnant and me I hide the belly, or I'm pregnant and that show the belly and this and that. Like, the fuck? If I was pregnant, guys, which I am not, if I were pregnant, I know who the daddy is. Not for uno honestly out there I breed, I don't know who breed, you know. No fun out there breed and don't know who breed, you know. A time when I did it, I hate past somebody and go look something do with in a life. Honestly. Go look something do with in a life. If I post a picture I post a couple pictures on Instagram. This girl I go say, why you do so much photo shoot in the hairstyle there? Why you this, why you that? Girl, my hairstyle, you never contribute to getting my hair done. You never ever do nothing for me. If I want a 10,000 photo shoot in my hairstyle with me pay for, I go do it. Which it was never like that. You see, because I have 3 different suits, you feel like a 3 different day, or 3 different this, or 3 different that. All of that photo shoot, every one of them picture they do one day. One day, morning, afternoon to evening, and then night. So what me did for do one photo shoot in the morning, change my hairstyle, the one in the evening, change my hairstyle, the one in the night. Are you serious? What the frig? You think people have money and waste? If I feel like do 10 photo shoot in my hairstyle, I go do 10 photo shoot in my hairstyle. The next thing, somebody else I go comment under my picture, I'm post my Instagram. The filler must tired of you, they matter about my shoes. The filler must tired of you, oh my gosh, with the green, I guess the upset vomit face that whatever emoji that one called. Girl, and my shoes, me never come beg you for contribution when me I buy my shoes. If I feel like wear my shoes till the bottom drop off, I go wear it till the bottom drop off. And when the bottom drop off, I'm going to take up a glue and I'm going to glue it back and I'm going to sew it back and I'm going to wear it again. You know why? And my shoes. And my shoes. So you tell me, say, alright, true, me in the public eye, or me have a little public figure, or me have a little influencer, or whatever. I can't wear my things there more than one time. Or where you get that from? Where you get that from? Me sure no say you wash your dirty drawers and put it on but at the same time. Where you get that from? And my shoes, I feel like wear 10,000 times, I go wear 10,000 times. Like, I think I understand the amount of negativity and hate of me I receive. Some people are say them not like me. I'm ugly, I'm black, I'm this, I'm that. Okay, I'm black and I'm beautiful. No for uno insecure and on self, that's how I take out for no insecurity from other people who are strong and have something going on with them life. So what if I'm ugly to you? I'm beautiful to me, I'm beautiful to other people. Every day I wake up, I'm looking at the mirror and I see something cute. So you know have to tell me something cute for me feel good. You need to look deep down in yourself. You need to do a little soul searching and find yourself and stop being negative. The time you sit down there being negative and that make you look ugly right now. And then if you stop hate upon people who are really trying to do something with them life. If me just sit down and me are big and old and ugly and I do nothing, then you know that I say yeah, my waist, my this and my that, I just nah do nothing. And the time of the day I try elevate myself, I try do something for myself. When I have a hate upon me. Half of who I watch me, when most of who I watch me, don't know me in person, so I don't know what I'm capable of. When I need to stop hate from people where I try to do something with them life. When you not gonna start YouTube and go do something or go become an influencer on Instagram or do something with your life, it's time you did I try to bring down somebody. people are gonna say me chat too much, me a cloud chase and me a this and me a that. What kind of cloud me a chase? You don't understand the runnings of YouTube. And that's how enough is say no. On up on the outside looking in and don't know what I want. If a certain trend come up on YouTube, you have to ride the wave there. You have to ride the wave, you have to work with the trend will come in. So how is it that me a chase cloud? And how is it that me a hater? If somebody do you wrong, you gotta sit down there and not say nothing. You gotta shut up your mouth. I never grow like that. I grow for speak on whatever bother me. And that me I go forever do. And that people rate me for because I talk my mind, I speak the facts, and I move on. Everything on the day, oh, me a chase clothes, me ugly, me this, me that, and whatever. Then don't watch me then. If you despise me so much, why watch me? You just watch me for hate upon me. That don't make no sense. Because if I don't like somebody like me, I just honestly nah go pay them the money. I'm not go watch them. I go, if you want to subscribe and go on. Why you wait for me for drop a video for hate upon me? That makes sense, friend? That don't make no sense. And so I say this for say, I'm not even gonna address every single thing one I say because really and truly I just can't bother with all of that negativity no more. So I say this to say, guys, I'm gonna just take a break from YouTube. I don't know how long, but I'm just go take a break from YouTube. Or matter of fact, I just go at this point I just feel like I want to stop, honestly, and that is just that. And I just want to say thank you for everybody who's been supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it. Don't come in here, me I do a video. You have ice mint? You have ice mint? You don't want to ice mint? You can go buy some for me. You want to silver? Yeah, so as I did I say, guys, I just want to say thank you for everybody who's been supporting me from day one. Everybody who I'm true supporter, everybody where I always have my back down in the comments or the comments on YouTube or whether it be on my Instagram or everything like that. But I don't want to feel like me I turn my back on the guys, but I just really feel like someone need a break. Isn't it? I just really feel like someone need a break, guys. So I'm gonna just continue to support me. Whenever I do this, I have to come back. If I come back, and I continue to subscribe, share my channel, or I don't know, guys. I just want to know some appreciate all of the positivity what my real true supporters them give me and subscribers them, guys. And as I said, I'm not turn my back on. Well, I kind of did that, but not. I'm not really my fault, guys. I'm just really actually tired of the negativity and the hate. So the best thing for me is to just step away from YouTube. I think that's the best thing for me right now. So I'm just gonna do that, and I know some not gonna understand. Well, I probably don't, but if I'm in my position to know that's what me I talk about, guys. I don't know for the yeah, man. And I'm not even gonna blame nobody either because I me put myself out there. Me take up myself, put myself on YouTube. You know I did that thing, but I'm not even gonna blame nobody. Because being an influencer or a YouTuber, you have to be strong. Which I think me is strong. Well, I kind of is strong, but sometimes, you know, people can get to you. Especially when I just you one. And there's a whole lot of haters and negativity surround you one. When you really and truly not do nothing, you just live your own life and do your thing. But people just always are going to be people. If you do something good with their life, haters going to hate. If you not do nothing good with their life, or if you not do nothing, period, none at all, people just always are going to hate. And I guess this is just my breaking point right now, guys. So I think I'm gonna prolong the video, but thank you guys again for the love and the support. And yeah, so for the record, I'm not pregnant at all, never been, and I am not. Okay, 2, if you don't like me, just don't watch me, just avoid me if you don't like me, because I don't know, so therefore I don't know, follow me up. 3, I don't know, I'm done. I quit here, man. I give up. Yeah. So this video this video not really long, probably like 10 minutes or something, guys, but that's just honestly how I feel and the things and what happened. That's why I'm just say, you know, I'm gonna stop all of this. I'm just can't bother, guys. So I'm just give them my time and my space and just really think if I really want to stop or if I could give YouTube a break or whatever. But for right now, I just feel like I could just stop, okay? And I don't want to seem that I'm ungrateful, because I am not. I appreciate everyone I'm surprised. Surprises, okay. Cool. I appreciate everyone of my subscribers and my supporters, guys. So I'm not gonna feel like me and turn my back on it, because it's not like that. But the negativity is just too much, guys. I'm gonna really want it lead me into depression or anything like that. So therefore, I'm just gonna take a step back and just relax, go and do things outside of YouTube, and just whenever I come back, guys. So I'm gonna just sit with me and yeah.